Hi, I'm Jake, and on this episode of Rig Rundown, we are taking a look at the FM-300, Sherwood's 2 horsepower dust extractor. Now you may be wondering whether or not this is the unit for you, and I would say that in most, even small and upwards sized workshops, so even a 2-car garage, it is definitely pretty much the bedrock dust extractor. What it lacks in overall size, it definitely makes up for in drawing power, and I would say that anything less than this really isn't up to the cut. Naturally, I'm not talking about the smaller workshops where you may just have a small bandsaw or say a tabletop jointer. I'm speaking solely to anyone who has a benchtop thicknesser where a lot of material is being ejected, then this is definitely the starting point that you want to get to. Now the specs, it features a 2 horsepower or 1500 watt motor. It is a 240 volt or 10 amp plug, so it will plug straight into any household outlet. It features a 153 litre bag capacity, and it comes with a 5-inch outlet straight off the machine, which also includes a Y connector that comes down to 2 100mm ports as standard. It's also mounted on wheels, so when you need to bring the chariot into the garage, just wheel it straight out of the way. The machine itself comes standard with a needle felt bag. However, you do have the option of adding a pleated filter cartridge at your own discretion. Whether or not you need a pleated filter cartridge will depend on the type of material that's being ejected from your machines. Now, if you have machines that are ejecting large coarse material such as a jointer or a thicknesser, you probably don't need to invest in one. However, if you're using something like a table saw or a drum sander where very fine particles are being ejected, I would highly recommend that you invest in a pleated filtered cartridge. Now the drawing power is measured in cubic feet per minute, and this FM-300 features 1200 CFM, which is more than powerful enough for your everyday workshop. The footprint of this machine also measures at 1950 tall by 875 long and about 540 millimeters wide, so it is still quite compact. And as with all Sherwood machinery, it comes with a 5-year manufacturer's warranty as standard. Now, if you are thinking about picking up a dust extractor, here's some important information you might need to think about. And that's it for another video. So for more information, make sure you hit the links below, like, share and subscribe to help us grow, and we'll see you in the next video.